Since its foundation in 1991, MASO Profit has been a family-owned company. We are a partner for entrepreneurs who want to succeed in the meat processing and gastronomy sectors. Our product range includes, for example, knives and spices. In the past, we used modular racking located in different parts of our premises. In 2018, we decided to build a new automated warehouse. Since then, nobody runs up or down the stairs with a knife anymore. At MASO Profit, we have installed a fully automated mini-load system with a Jungheinrich stacker crane STC 2B1A. Maximum storage capacity was achieved thanks to the smart racking system solution and the flexible collaboration with the customer. The racking system was adjusted to the saddle roof of the building to maximize space utilization. Energy demand is reduced with the aid of energy recuperation. Saved energy is stored in high-capacity condensers and fed back into the drive system for subsequent acceleration processes. I wonder why not all companies have this automation solution.